and a claim that the Martinez administration told its cabinet members to conceal their emails. Did the governor's chief of staff use private email to conduct public business and maybe even keep himself out of jail?
Albuquerque attorney Sam Bregman, a possible Democratic governor candidate in 2014, says yes and claims he has an audio recording to prove it. News 13's Alex Goldsmith has the story of a brewing email scandal.
Dick Jessica Bregman says the evidence stems from a secretly recorded conversation his client, Roswell firefighter Brian Powell, taped with the governor's chief of staff, Keith Gardner, nearly a year ago. Listen for yourself.
That's all discoverable. That's why I never email my state email. Anything that can come back to bite my ass, it's all done offline. Right. I never use my state email because it's all done on different stuff. I don't want to go to court and jail.
Bregman says he's releasing the tape because it applies to the case of former probation and parole supervisor Larry Flynn. Flynn was fired for allegedly padding his time card and firing his gun on prison property. His girlfriend at the time was then Corrections Secretary Lupe Martinez, who resigned a year ago. Bregman's alleging the governor's office had a hand in Flynn's firing, something that's not allowed under state law. In an affidavit, Lupe Martinez claims Gardner told her and other cabinet secretaries to use private emails whenever possible to keep communications secret. A governor spokesperson denies that happened, but Bregman says the tape shows something else.
Keith Gardner's own words reflect the fact that this administration was drunk with power and they wanted to run a secret government.
In a statement, the governor's office says the recording is, quote, clearly out of context and was released by a politically motivated lawyer. They also say Gardner uses his public email regularly. Governor Martinez sent out a directive in June requiring state employees to always use state email when conducting public business. Now, the recording was turned over to the Attorney General's office and is now part of an investigation into whether administration officials improperly used private email to conduct public business. It's unclear whether that in and of itself is against the law. Both Governor Johnson and Richardson did not use their public email for public work. Back to you.
Okay, Alex, Governor Martinez and Keith Gardner are scheduled to be deposed in the Flynn case later this month.